In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine photos in CapCut. Whether you're creating a slideshow, a photo collage, or a visually engaging story, CapCut makes it simple to bring your images to life. This free and versatile video editing tool is perfect for beginners and professionals alike, offering everything you need to craft polished and creative videos. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the skills to seamlessly combine your favorite photos, add transitions, and even enhance your project with music, text, and effects. If you're new to CapCut, you can use the link in the description to download the app and get started. To begin, open the CapCut app on your mobile device or PC. Once you're in, tap on New Project to create a fresh video project. This will take you to the media library, which is where you'll organize and choose the content for your video. Now, locate the Photos or Images tab in the media library. Here you'll find all the images available for use in your project. Take a moment to select the photos you want to include. Organizing your images beforehand can make the process much smoother. You can either tap each photo individually or, for faster selection, hold down to choose multiple photos at once. Once you've picked your images, tap the Add button to import them into the timeline. At this point, you'll see your photos arranged in the timeline. If you need to adjust their order, it's easy to do. Simply tap and hold a photo clip until it pops up slightly, then drag it left or right to reposition it. Rearranging your photos ensures they appear in exactly the order you want, setting the right flow for your video. Next, let's fine-tune the duration of each photo clip. Tap on a photo in the timeline and you'll notice handles on either side of the clip. Drag the right edge to make the clip shorter or longer. Alternatively, if you're on mobile, you can use the duration button in the toolbar to type in the exact time you want for each clip. Adjusting the timing is key to matching the pace of your video to the mood or story you're trying to convey. Now let's add some transitions to make your video flow more smoothly. Between each photo clip, you'll see a small white box or vertical line. Tap on it and a menu of transition styles will appear. Options like fade in, mix, or crossfade can help create a polished and professional look. Once you've chosen a transition, adjust its length to suit your project. Longer transitions can feel more cinematic, while shorter ones keep things snappy and dynamic. To take your video to the next level, consider adding some enhancements like audio, text, or effects. Start by heading to the Audio tab, where you can add background music or even record a voiceover to narrate your video. Adding text is just as simple. Use the text menu to insert captions, titles, or any on-screen messages that help tell your story. And don't forget to explore the Effects and Filters menus for animations or visual enhancements that can give your project a unique touch. These features not only add personality to your video, but also make it stand out. Once your video is ready, it's time to export it. Tap on the Export button, which usually looks like an upward pointing arrow in the top corner. This will bring up a screen where you can choose your desired resolution and frame rate. For social media platforms, higher settings are ideal to ensure your video looks sharp and professional. On the other hand, if you're sharing the video quickly with friends or family, a lower resolution might work better. After selecting your preferred settings, tap Export again to save your video to your device's gallery. And that's it. You've successfully combined photos in CapCut, added transitions, and enhanced your video with music, text, and effects. Now you're ready to share your creation with the world. If you have any questions or want to see more tutorials like this, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.